Hello and welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be looking at more examples in which we're going to be simplifying algebraic fractions and also looking at addition and subtraction of fractions. So let's look at the first example, example 1. On example 1 we have the question: express the following as a single fraction and simplify. So on part A we have 2 over 3ax plus 5 over 2ay. On part B we have 2 plus 3m over m minus 1. Right, so I'm gonna do the working right here, but before I do, you may want to attempt these two problems by yourself, so you may pause the video starting from now and start working. Alright, so this is my part A. We have 2 over 3ax plus 5 over 2ay. The key thing here is you have to look for the LCM for the denominators. Now we covered that in another topic before. So if you have your 3ax and your 2ay, looking for the LCM, I'm saying that the LCM will come out as 6axy. And the next thing you do now is you divide 3ax into 6axy, and what we get right there will come out as 2y, and we multiply 2y by 2, the numerator, and that will give us 4y. Okay, and again we do the same with 2ay. We divide 2ay into 6axy. What do we get? We get, I'm seeing that we get 3x, and we multiply 3x by 5, and that will give us 15x. And this becomes the solution because we cannot simplify it any further. So we have 4y plus 15x all divided by 6axy. That's the solution to part A. Okay, we can also move on to part B. We have 2 plus 3m over m minus 1. I've just put a denominator of 1 on 2, right, because that's the denominator of a number without a denominator. So the denominator is always going to be 1. The LCM will come out as m minus 1 for 1 and m minus 1. And I divide 1 into m minus 1. I get 1 and I multiply that by the numerator. So that means that I'll be having 2 of m minus 1. And again I divide m minus 1 into m minus 1, and I get 1 and I multiply the numerator by 1. I get plus 3m. I simplify the numerator, multiplying 2 by m minus 1. This will give me 2m minus 2, and that's plus 3m, and that's all divided by m minus 1. Simplifying the numerator, I'll be having 2m plus 3m. That gives me 5m. So I'll be having 5m and minus 2, and it's all divided by m minus 1. And this cannot be simplified any further, so that is our solution for part B. Alright, so that's how we work out these two problems. Well done if you got the answer correct. I'll have another example, one more example, example 2, for you to work out. Alright, let's look at example 2. On example 2, we want to express as a single fraction, and to simplify we have 5 over p plus 4 minus 2 over p minus 3. I'm just going to give you 3 minutes on this one, or even 2, so I want you to start working from now. You may pause this video. Okay, let's check out the solution. We have a fraction 5 over p plus 4 minus 2 over p minus 3. First we have to look for the LCM, that's the thing, of p plus 4 and p minus 3, and that will be, for me, that's the product of p plus 4 and p minus 3. So that becomes our LCM. Next we divide p plus 4 into this whole denominator, and what we get, what happens is p plus 4 will cancel out with p plus 4, will be left with p minus 3, and we multiply that by the numerator, That means we'll be having 5 of p minus 3. Again, we go on to p minus 3 and we divide p minus 3 into the whole denominator. And if we do that, that means p minus 3 will cancel out with p minus 3 and we'll be left with p plus 4, and that's what we multiply the numerator with. So we'll be having minus 2 of p plus 4. Now if we simplify the numerator, then we'll be having 5 of p minus 3 will give us 5p minus 15, and minus 2 of p plus 4 will be giving minus 2p minus 8, and this is all divided by the product p plus 4 p minus 3. Next, we continue simplifying the numerator. We have 5p minus 2p, that's 3p. We also have minus 15 minus 8, this gives us minus 23, and this is all divided by p plus 4 of p minus 3. And if you look at this, you can see that we cannot simplify it anymore, so this simply becomes the solution for example 2. Right, so you must know how to express fractions that you have as single fractions, like we were doing in this video, and simplifying them till they can't be simplified anymore. So I'll be giving you more examples on that so that you may practice more.